Fly with me to Korea! Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I'm also a little bit nervous because this is gonna be my first solo travel in Korea. And I have zero sense of direction, so who knows what's gonna happen. I arrived super early. It's still more than 4 hours before my flight, but that's fine because last time I arrived 3 hours before my flight and immigration took more than an hour. So hopefully this time it won't take that long. These are the bags that I have. Bayad muna tayo ng travel tax. Ako lang ba yung ayaw magbayad ng 50 pesos convenience fee for the travel tax? Wala namang masyadong pila, so it should not take long. I just paid my travel tax and I paid 1,620. Sana ma-abolish na yan because mahal din niya. Isang activity din yun, isang day tour din yun. Anyway, I'm checking my boarding gates. Try natin kung gagana. Kasi laging hindi to gumagana sa akin eh. Enter booking reference. Continue. I got an error, passport details do not match. So, doon na lang ako sa check-in counter. Doon na lang tayo sa staff counters because ayaw gumana nung check-in kiosk. Okay. Konti lang naman yung pila. So anyway, kahit gumana naman yung kiosk, pipila ka pa rin dito, especially if you have bag drop. Meron na palang self-service bag drop. So, kung nakapag-check-in kayo din sa kiosk, you probably don't have to stand in line here like me. Kaya lang since ayaw gumana ng kiosk, kailangan ko pa rin pumila dito. Yan pala yung self-service bag drop. So, mas madali kung makapag-check-in kayo sa kiosk para hindi na kayo pipila ng mahaba. Tapos na ako sa check-in and bag drop. Mabilis lang siya. It took less than 15 minutes. So at this point, I have my passport and then my visa, boarding pass, and then yung sticker for the check-in bag. So wag niyo itong iwawala. Just in case mawala yung bag nyo or maiwan yung bag nyo, you'll need that. Now, I'm gonna go to the international departures. Sana makakunti lang yung pila sa immigration. I'm done with immigration. I'm done with security check. So, mabilis lang naman siya. Immigration took about 20 minutes. And then, security check took 10 minutes, maybe. Immigration